number one is that if you like what you see, you clap your hands, you show me your love. Let's see how you do it. Okay. Rule number two is that if you don't like what you see, clap your hands. It's the same, easy. Well, I do not have rule number three, but just an advice for all of you. An advice is that in the end of my show, after the final goal,